our seventh and our last core principle, pays to be a winner. This is another concept that I took from the Marine Corps, and it was building competition in our ranks, right? As a recon Marine, we were always striving to be the best. And in order to be the best, you have to win, right? Winners are the best, essentially what it comes down to. And one way that they would reward people who won the extra effort that win it is any type of physical exercise, whether we were running, doing push-ups, pull-ups, shooting, swimming, whatever the physical challenge was. If you won, then you got to take a break, and that was your reward. What also, if you won, you got to take a break, then you had more rest than the next guy. So the next reiteration, you should be in better and more rested to win again. So help perpetuate the winners because they put in the extra effort, they got the break, and then they can turn around and win again and get another break. So pays to be a winner is a concept that I took from the Marine Corps, and I've put it into my life. I put it into this business. It's a really important thing for us here at Gallaher Fleet Solutions. It comes down to, hey, bring your best every single day. No matter if it's your first day, your last day, in the middle of it, you got 30 more years of work under your belt, 40 more years, or if you're 3 years away from retirement. It's not about giving up and giving a half-ass effort. It's about come to work every single day, give it your best effort. It pays to be a winner. It's also about being the best, right? We're going to push for top performance and hold the standard. Winners want to work with winners, and winners want to know who's winning, right? It's about competition. It's about bringing the best out every day. It's not being about scared of the competition. You know, when I hear people talk about other truck repair companies, the competition's doing this, the competition's doing that, they're talking to our customers, they're talking to our people, you know, they're undercutting our prices. And it says to us saying, hey, how do we be better? How do we show up? How do we win, right? Let that competition drive us, fuel to make better decisions, to work harder, to serve the customer better, right? Go above and beyond to be a better value for our customers. And competition's welcome. It brings the best out in us. It brings our top performers to light, and they show up. And because the best want competition, it fuels them. It gives them that drive, right? And that's what we want to be. That's who we are. We want to be a winner. We're going to be a winner, and we're going to push it and hold it there every single time. And then absolutely, you know, one thing here at Gallaher Fleet Solutions is, hey, it pays to be a winner. And we don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. And we have a monthly profit sharing plan that we have for every single person in the company that's full-time. So what does that mean, right? So profit sharing for full-time team members means that, hey, when the company hits our profit sharing goals, or you hit your individual profit sharing goals, that you get paid, that you actually take home money, and it's extra for what your base salary or base hourly rate is. So it's not just about a bonus or extra money. If all the stars align, then we get some free money. It's not about that. It's about, hey, when we win and we're profitable, you get your slice of the pie, right? And you get to take that home with you and feed your family with it, buy things with it, save, spend it, do whatever. It's your money. It's your profit, your share of the profit. So pays to be a winner creates profit sharing, and then you get to win and take that money home. That's what pays to be a winner is about.